It is a great privilege to welcome you all to celebrate this momentous occasion, the closing ceremony of the PSBRC Batch 2020, Paida 01, Classes Alpha to Papa.
Handa kong ibigay lahat ng yaman sa mundo. Handa akong makipaglaban para lang sa iyong gusto. Handa ako na sugal at nang mamatay para sa'yo kung kailangan. Ako ang superhero mo, handa kang ipaglaban.
Maraming salamat sa pagpapabay, sa pagbigay ng mga buting asal, pagtuturo ng mga ideya, knowledge, ay kakabuti ko at magagamit ko sa paglabas dito sa Tayunisan. Maraming.
Good, your job well done, anak ko. But you must be, mag-ipon ka, then you give it to me later. Adi ko ba?
Ako lalaban sa buong mundo, basta tayo ay magkasama hanggang dulo.
Nabuo sa aming dalawa, parang magkapatid na.
Parang magkapatid na to. Hindi lang magkapatid. Minsan nami-miss namin yung mga girlfriend namin. Buddy! Ikaw na bahala sa amin, buddy. Salamat, mate, sa suporta at saka sa samahan na nabuo natin dito. Magkikita tayo sa labas. You know? Kala ko kikis ka.
Today, our public safety basic report journey comes to an end. But this is not the end of our journey. It is the beginning of a new chapter. The public safety is a new project. And after that, the key service to the public always. Ipakita natin ang PSBRC Batch 2020-0 na hindi tayo ang hindi magtagusta. Ipakita natin na tayo ay tutukan mag-ibigay at pagsigat o lahing tuloy. 3, 2, 1.
Masaya po ako, sir, sa graduation namin ngayon dahil muli namin nakita yung mga pamilya namin nga galing sa malalayong lugar at napapasalamat po ako sa buong Maykapal dahil binigyan nyo kami ng magandang panahon ngayon at good health po sa aming lahat.
Born protectors and willingly shoulder risks and dangers to keep your people sleeping peacefully at night. Times have changed and continue to change. What has not changed is a rule in society, that is to serve and protect. We are the 24/7 helpline and defense for our streets and neighborhoods. Your commitment to our country ensures that you will never waver, even in the face of adversity. Your competency in your work guarantees that you will execute your duties with integrity and professionalism. This achievement is a source of pride for you. These men and women would not be standing here today without your trust and confidence in sending Timo. Once again, congratulations to Class Masandik Lahi, and may God bless and protect you as you start your quest and your journey here in the Philippine National Police Organization. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayong lahat.